Morning all. Got Citroen C4 here, Picasso. I'm just going to go through something I get asked quite a lot, and that's the additive system on this vehicle. We get asked a lot, can the additive system be disabled? I'm not going to go into the politics of why, how, or anything else. I'm just going to show you how it's actually done. This particular vehicle has got no faults in the additive pump. The additive pump's showing full. Sorry, the bag, whether it is full or if it isn't full, we won't know until we obviously drop it. We got a fault code in the engine ECU for additive system faulty. When you start this vehicle up, we get this. This is what we're trying to get rid of. For this, we're going to go into the BSI. Okay. We're going to go into special function. We're going to go into configuration, manual configuration. And then we're going to go into vehicle configuration, engine, we're going to go down to the type of DPF system or FAP system on this, and we're going to set it to absent. Now, although we're setting it to absent, it will still regenerate as it needs to. We'll get no extra faults. All we're going to be doing is getting rid of the message from the central display. Again, you could go into the politics of it, whether it's right, whether it's wrong. However, we're just showing what we're being asked. It'll say writing failure, but it actually doesn't fail to write. And it's now set to a non-DPF. If we scroll back down to it, you can see it says absent there. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch the ignition off and back on again. Start the engine. And as you can see, no failure message. If you need any more information, get in contact www.mobileecotuning.com. Cheers, bye.